In a world where luxury meets brute force, few vehicles stand out like the Condor. A true engineering beast created by Alpine Armoring, a Condor is more than just a high-end SUV. It's a rolling fortress with a heart of steel, the presence of a military machine, and the comfort of a five-star suite. At first glance, the Condor's design immediately commands attention. Dressed in chalk gray, a sophisticated color borrowed from the BMW palette, and sporting G-Class inspired headlights with circular shapes and distinctive horizontal DRLs, it brings together the best design cues from top-tier automotive legends. But don't be fooled. Under that stylish skin lies the rugged soul of a Ford F600 heavy-duty truck. That's right, beneath all the premium finishes and aggressive bodywork, the Condor retains the F600 chassis, a platform known for its durability and strength. Powering this armored behemoth is a 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, a Ford powerhouse that pushes out around 330 horsepower in stock form. However, considering the significant added weight of armor and reinforcements, the actual on-road performance may be slightly tempered. But the focus here is clearly on survivability, not speed. So how tough is it? Alpine Armoring has equipped the Condor with Alpine Level A9 protection, making it capable of withstanding high-powered rifle rounds, shrapnel, and even grenade explosions. This level of ballistic protection is made possible through lab-tested and certified ballistic steel and bullet-resistant glass. From its armored fuel tank and battery to its anti-sabotage exhaust system, every inch of the Condor screams tactical superiority. Adding to the tactical package is a 360-degree monitoring system, giving passengers complete environmental awareness. Optional features include a PA system and multi-siren control, turning the Condor into a vehicle equally suited for dignitary transport or elite security response teams. Inside, luxury takes over. The cabin is lined with cream-on-gray leather, wood laminate flooring, and two spacious captain's chairs in the middle row. A unique 2+2+2 seating layout allows up to 6 occupants to ride in complete security and comfort, with 2 rear-facing electronically controlled jump seats adding an executive limo vibe. The Condor's luxury experience is enhanced with dual panoramic sunroofs, ambient lighting, a starlight headliner reminiscent of Rolls-Royce, and full thermal and acoustic insulation, delivering the comfort and peace you'd expect in a Maybach, not a bulletproof truck. Size-wise, the Condor is truly a giant. Measuring 242 inches in length, 107 inches in width, and 95 inches in height. With a wheelbase of 145.5 inches, it tips the scales at a staggering 19,200 pounds, or over 8,700 kilograms. This sheer mass required Alpine to upgrade the suspension system to military-grade specs, ensuring that ride quality and handling remain composed even under all that armor. Rolling on heavy-duty military wheels with run-flat tires, the Condor can keep driving even after taking serious damage to its wheels, offering a critical survival feature in hostile or emergency scenarios. The Condor isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile safe house designed for those who demand the highest level of personal security without compromising on luxury. Whether it's used by world leaders, high-risk executives, or ultra-wealthy enthusiasts, this armored SUV combines the elite features of a luxury car with the protective strength of a military machine. Alpine Armoring has once again proven that when it comes to blending safety and style, there are no limits. The Condor is available to exclusive buyers with specialized needs and even more specialized budgets. If you want to be wrapped in leather, bathed in LED light, and protected from ballistic threats, all while cruising in a BMW-painted Ford-powered G-Wagon-inspired fortress, this SUV is built for you.